The Mimosa pudica from Latin, pudica, which means shy, strange or diminishing. It is also called sensitive plant, sleepy plant, action plant, touch me not, shame plant is a creeping mimosa annual or perennial flowering plant. It's often grown for the amount of curiosity, the compound leaves moving in and out when touched or shaken, defending themselves from damage, and it will reopen in minutes. This is where I will start by sharing with you the legend of Mimosa pudica. Once upon a time, in a distant town lived a young woman named Maria. Besides being beautiful, Maria is also known for two other qualities. First, she is very shy, and second, she is fond of plants. Maria does not leave the house. If he goes out, she is just in the yard to take care of his plants. That Maria is beautiful and hardworking but very shy, said neighbor Mrs. Tina. Yes. When I once passed by and greeted him, she suddenly hid inside the house. Mrs. Flora agreed. Maria has no friends because she does not talk, but they of her plants seem to understand each other. The flowers in their garden are always beautiful. One day, some mischievous children entered his yard and destroyed the plants. For the first time, Maria cried out. She didn't want anyone to destroy his plant. She then placed ticks around the yard to prevent naughty children from entering. Another day, the neighbors did not see Maria in the garden. On the second and third day, the neighbors were worried. Why isn't Maria coming out anymore? Isn't she sick? They asked each other. Out of concern, the neighbors entered Maria's yard. Maria, Maria, where are you? Shouted Mrs. Tina and Mrs. Flora. No one answered, so they went inside the house. The house is small and you can immediately see if someone is inside or not. It was well inside, but Maria was not. They went out of the garden when suddenly Mrs. Tina shouted. What about the pain of this thorn? What is this? She said while bowing to look at the pricked foot. His other companions also bowed and were surprised by what they saw. They saw a plant that was almost attached to the ground and had a finely chopped leaf. It also has fine thorns surrounding its branches. When Mrs. Tina's foot touched the leaves of the plant, suddenly folded. Only now have I seen this type of plant. This is very embarrassing. I just refused to fold. It seems that people do not want to approach the plants because of its thorns. It's like Maria, said Mrs. Tina. Maria was never seen in their place again. The shy plant that grew around her garden grew even more. So the neighbors became more and more convinced that it was indeed Maria. I hope everyone enjoyed and liked this short story.